Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can reduce Apple Pencil tapping noise on your iPad. So consider two main methods. First, you can use the silicone or rubber tips for your Apple Pencil. These affordable tips available on Amazon or any other sites you can attach to your Apple Pencil. They significantly dampen this tapping sound when you touch the screen, making it much less noticeable. Another thing you can do is you can apply your screen protector to your iPad. Instead of tapping directly on the glass, a screen protector like a paper film or other film will alter the sound. While various options exist, applying a different material to your screen can change the tapping noise. I believe using silicone tips is a more effective solution for consistently preventing loud tapping noise on your iPad. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.